Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, imagine your own mother saying certain things about you. I'm just like, if your mother can say certain things, you guys, I mean, she's known you probably the longest time than most of your girlfriends. And in this case, I'm speaking about Mpumelelo. We see Umayeni saying, ukuthi azini, these girls, they can date Mpumelelo kodwa bangazali. Anyone who decides to give him a child will face the consequences. Now, guys, you know, the thing is, Mpumelelo barely gives his mother respect, and that's my own opinion, right? Yes, he speaks to his mother in a respectful way, but you can tell ukuthi he's listening to listen, but you can tell ukuthi in his mind uzitshela ukuthi ayikho lento mayikhulumayo type of vibe. Now I'm just like, if he can't give uma wakhe indawo yakhe in his life, what makes the rest of these other girls think which Mpumelelo is going to treat them any better? And the scary part is that Umusa, knowing his son, he's the one that was advocating for Abo Vuyodazi, which Vuyodazi, she mustn't leave this relationship, which Mpumelelo athathe tempo. Njani? So Musa, you want people's children to come and suffer if you yourself, you say ukuthi umusa abantu unokhuzana Mpumelelo abantu abamazi ukuthi unjani. Why would you still advocate for Mpumelelo to take his tempo and bring people's children into such a horrible situation? Hey guys, astapheleni. That's how I'm saying, if your mother can say that about you, when as the girlfriend, who do you think you are that this guy's gonna suddenly change for you? Maybe there are those instances, guys, where men will change for you, ukuthi umthande ngaleyo ndlela, then he will suddenly change for you. But at this point, kudos to Uvuyokazi for working out on that relationship. Utirano on the other side, guys, she knows her man. I mean, there's this TikTok I saw of her, a TikTok video of hers that I saw on TikTok where she was saying something like, "I'm not the liar, I'm the liar's girlfriend," and laughing. So she knows the traits that her man has. She's never ever denied them, but she still chooses to be with this man. And I'm just thinking, these other ladies who have came in and out and Utereno is still standing, I'm now really starting to question, girl, do you really believe that this man is going to change for you? Because you can't tell me, guys, ukuthi this man is treating all these other women, bonke bakhala day one, or all of them bayakhala ngaye, and then when it comes to you, all of a sudden he treats you with special treatment. Either ngempela he does treat you with special treatment, or number two, ushukuthi you tolerate his treatment in your life. Yo guys, hi guys, and the thing Uvuyokazi, she's given birth to Mpumelelo's children, but at least she's not in a relationship with him. But Utirelo has his child. I'm just like, the funny part is that there's probably going to be another girl who's gonna come into the situation and me tell Mpumelelo, despite even what Umayeni Umaba Mpumelelo is saying. Guys, angapheleni please, nitshela nje osisibene ukuthi baqapheleni, because hey, these children, ingathi siyacela guys, usiyacela, when you went to that Virgin event, these children were screaming for usiyacela. So I'm just like, no Mpumelelo kusho ukuthi when he goes out, they screaming for him, basibonela iseleb. Basibonela iseleb ingane zabantu, they not seeing kwa red flag ibona. Or they take the red flag, they cut it into heart shapes, angazi. Anyway guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.